Good morning, yogis, and welcome to today's class. Let's start seated, actually in child's pose today. Slow things down a bit. See if your big toes touch and slide the hands forward to relax. If child pose for you feels more comfortable with the arms back, by all means take them back. Maybe lean the head to one side. Preferably not the side of your microphone. Feel the upper chest, relax and release. Feel the shoulders release. Feel the elbows release. Relax in the face, the jaw. And come up and go into your first downward dog of the day. Start to walk the feet. Good, lowering the chest. Good, bring your left knee down, left hand underneath your left shoulder. Go onto the outside of that right heel and go for a side plank. Try to look at your right hand. If you're feeling a bit unsteady here, you can move the position of that back foot, make it wider. Long breaths. One more. Good, let's change sides. So right hand and right knee on the floor. Take that left hand up. Let's take one more. And to the floor. Good, push into the hands once again. And pedal your downward dog. Bring your right foot up and your left knee down. Good, take that right hand up as we open. Maybe lean back a bit, but try and keep your knee squeezing into your chest. Trying to ground down the right foot, all the toes. And then now push the knee away from you as you look over towards your left. And hands to the floor. Take your right foot back. Again, pedal your downward dog. Really connecting to your breath now. So taking 4-second inhales and 4-second exhales. Left foot comes forwards. Right knee down and take the left hand up. Try and squeeze your left knee in towards the body as you look up at your left hand. And now push the knee away from you as you look over the left shoulder. And hands to the floor. Into your downward dog. And bring the feet together. And roll over to the right. Go as deep as feels comfortable. Maybe the The hips will touch the floor. Take it to the other side. Okay, let's do another round. Really making space in the body. And back to down dog. Good. Step your right foot forwards. Left knee is down. Let's bring a spinal twist into this. Bring your left elbow up onto the knee and the right hand on top. Try and focus on keeping a straight line here as opposed to going diagonal. Stay here. Keeping the knee over the ankle. Maybe you can go to lift that leg if you want to burn a few more calories. Inhale 1. The more you push into the hands to lift the chest, the more space you'll make in the upper spine. And hands to the floor. Slide the left knee back and go to straighten the right, toes in flex. Maybe lowering the head. It'd be nice to put your hands on blocks here. Exhale, take that foot back and back into down dog. And bring the left foot forwards, right knee is down. Good, let's bring that spinal twist back on the other side. Right elbow on the top of your left knee, hands together. Try and make that straight line. If that's all going well, you could go to lift the back leg or not. Inhale 1. Slowly turning the gaze upwards. Exhale, hands to the floor. Good, let's walk that left foot forwards. Slide the right knee back. Lower the head. Maybe you can soften the elbows to let the head get a bit lower. Exhale, taking that foot back. And let's take a chaturanga. Now, if you want to assist with your chaturanga, keep your knees down. So, elbows in. And inhaling low cobra. Squeeze the elbows into the body, look up. And now push into the hands, down dog. Good. Right foot comes forward. Left knee is down. Hands on the knee. And try to drop the shoulders away from the ears. Looking up. If you want to get deeper here, take the arms up, lean back maybe. Inhale 2. Maybe that right foot slides a bit further forward. And hands to the floor. Good. Take that foot back. And inhale, bring the left foot forward. Right knee is down. Good. Hands come onto that knee. Again, try to drop the shoulders down. Maybe walk left foot further forward. Oh, there's a cat looking at me over there. Hi. Good. So you can get deeper into that hip as you push the knee forward. Shoulders away from ears. I even have to be reminded myself, totally normal. Inhale, 4. One more. And hands to the floor. Good. Back to downward dog. Walk the feet towards the wrists. Start with a bend in the knees here. Inhale, look up. And then grab the two big toes to fold. Lowering the head, bending the elbows outwards for 2. And here, bend the knees more to slide the hands underneath the feet. Go as far up to the wrist as you can, and exhale, fold once again. Good, hands to the floor and come into a squat position. You might want the block underneath your heels here. Otherwise, we're like this, try bring the chest up. So really push into the heels, maybe lift the toes to lean back. Exhale, bring the right hand down to the floor. Arm coming on the inside of the right leg, and take the left arm up. Follow your left hand for 1. Pushing into the heels to take the weight back. Do one more. Good, change side, left hand now to the floor on the inside of the left leg. Take the right hand up. Again, try to push back into the heels as you look up. One more. And center. Good, from here, slide the hands forward. Keep your elbows in line with the wrists and lean. If that's all going well, you could maybe come up to lift one foot and both. Inhale, 2. Inhale, 3. If you want to get deeper into your crow, by all means, bring the armpits to the knees. 4. And 5. Good. Feet to the floor. Sit down and bring the soles of the feet together. Hands behind to push the pelvis as close to your feet as you can. Grab the feet, look up. And then exhale, putting some mild pressure on the legs to try and bring the knees lower to the floor. Exhale, good. Slide the feet as far, well, not necessarily as far forward, changing my words there, but put them a bit further forwards and go to folds. We're trying to get the head to get as close to the feet as we can. Maybe they touch the feet, that's great. If they don't, that doesn't really matter. So whilst you're in this pose as well, try and push the knees down with the strength of the leg muscles. And exhale, come up. Let's keep our left leg bent, but extend the right. Untuck your glute. And slowly walk the hands forward. Try to keep the hands level, so make sure we're not like this. Keep the foot flexing and lean the chin forward, keeping the glutes down. Might be helpful to have a block here to sit on for this pose. Let's take 5 breaths. Good, flexing that foot, really feeling the stretch in the back of the leg. And exhale, come up. Good. Let's change legs. Bending the right leg in, left leg flat in, flex. Slide the fingers forwards. Double check your leg is totally in line with the body and it's not going out to the side. Good, that feeling as well is trying to push the leg flat to the floor. Looking at the toe. Exhale, come up. Good, hands to the floor. Take the feet back. Chaturanga, elbows in. Inhaling up. Exhale, down dog. Good, bend the knees. Come down to the knees and slide the chest forward. Try and keep the chin up. One more. And now come to lie flat on your stomach. Taking the arms back. Let's push into the back of the hand and lift the legs, the chest, and the neck to look straight down at the floor. 5 breaths. Squeezing the feet together as best as you can and the knees. Point the toes away from you. And come down. There's a little spider there. Let's do that again. But this time bring your hands directly underneath your elbows. Take an inhale. And now same again. Lift, squeeze the elbows into the chest. 1. Inhale, 2. That's not my recommended breathing technique. There are just lots of little creatures sharing my mat with me today. Inhale, 4. One more. And release. Good. Bring your left arm out in front of you and push up on that left arm. Let's go to grab now the right foot and try to push the foot towards the outside of that hip. Staying here, elbow pointing up. If you want to get deeper, maybe twist the hands so the fingers face forward. As so, 5 breaths. Try to keep pushing up in your left elbow. One more. And release. Bring your right arm down. Good, push up. In the arm, take the left hand back. Just hold on to that foot. Stay here with the elbow bent, or you can turn the fingers forward. Exhale, release. Good, come down. Make a cushion with the arms and just relax here for a second. Observe the sensation in the back. And now with your knees together, bend the feet back, take the hands back. If you can't reach with your hands, you could do this with a strap. So knees together, feet together as best as you can. Flex the feet away from you and look up. Inhale. Good, elbows back, shoulders back. Knees on the floor. One more. And release. Good job. Once again, let's make a cushion with the arms and relax. Observe the feeling in the lower back. Push into the hands. Find your down dog. And bring your right knee forward for a single pigeon. Bring that left or that right foot as high up as it's comfortable. Slide the left leg back. And drop the head. It doesn't get any more countryside yoga than this, does it? Two more. One more. Good. Take that leg back. And bring your left leg forward. Slide the right knee back. Let's get into our stretch. And exhale. Good. It's time to swing both legs out in front. Feet together, toes flexing. Untuck your glutes, sit up nice and tall. Take an inhale, find a straight back. Exhale, keep that back straight. Now I want to cross your arms, keep pushing your chest forward. Try to find that L shape, toes flexing. Exhale, 2. Good, chest nice and high, really pushing down on the sit bones for 4. One more. And fold. Good, hands to the floor. Try to keep your chest up as you reach forward so the top part of your back is really arching. Good, you'll feel that in the legs. Flex the feet towards you and take 5. Good, trying to rise with the chest. Wasn't sure if I was going to say raise or rise there. I think you got a combination. Inhale, 4. One more. Good. Now with the strap, or you can grab the big toes. Pull forward and lift the elbows up. Try to keep the chin up. Toes flexing. One more. Good. And release. Nice. Take the feet back. Take a chaturanga assisted, or you can go for a full one. Elbows squeezing in. Inhale, low cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog. Good. Come onto the knees. And let's get the distance of our shoulders. That means the center of your palm will need to be where the elbow is of both of your arms. Come onto the floor and bring the hands flat. From here, lift the knees up to push the weight back. Good. Try to push the head through. If your head is touching the floor, your elbows are probably too wide. Walk them in a little bit. Good. Pushing the weight back. Nice shoulder opener. If your practice doesn't feel complete without an inversion, from here you could also jump up into a pincher or not. Pincher Mayurasana. Let's take 3 more breaths here. Really stretching the backs of the legs. Pushing into the elbows to push away from the hands. One more. Good. So, come down onto the knees. This is actually a perfect moment to go up to your computer or phone and press subscribe or like for today's class. And maybe I'll practice in the countryside more often from here. Thanks in advance. We can go into Shavasana. Come to lie flat. Palms of the hands facing up to the sky. Maybe get a cushion or something for your lower back. We did some work there today. And relax here. Giving yourself 5 to 10 minutes. Namaste, yogis.